Hello everyone. Welcome to this new project that I'm sharing you. It's an agentic ID like cursor windsurf anti-gravity. But I have not made it like an VS Code ID because I think that era of that coding has gone or about to just go out. The old IDs were made to help humans navigate faster and do things faster. But right now, the IDs required in the market are more AI assisted. So while this has some code editing facility, but I'm not making it like VS Code. And it's a very side project for me right now to understand and make people understand how the prompts and these things are working. So first of all, this is definitely AI assisted right now, but it's not purely by product. So let me demonstrate it first. So let's is the screen visible? Yes. So let's make a project X editor test. Okay, and I'm about to add a folder development. Let's see here, test. As I add the folder, just look at here index. So it's indexing the project. Well, in any case, you can re-index anytime. So when index it, we have given a few models that, but later you can choose your own models so that you can search and NLP here. What okay, where is primary color defined? And okay, here we go. Variable file. This is so that gives LLM a semantic search tool so that it can search in natural language. We chunk and we embed everything. Right now, I'm about to demonstrate a simple project that is here. It's visible, yes. So it's an simple Quasar Vue.js application, the default one right now. Nothing has been done in here. Okay, and we will be using LM Studio for GPT OSS model, and I will check Nematron also. So right now I have worked on GPT, Nematron, Grand model I'm work Gemini a bit. How the system works is index I've shown. You can define your own LLM provider. So right now I have defined LM Studio, Olama, whatever you can define, and then you define family. So we have prompts and the prompts parser for each family for each mode. Uh, when I say mode, it does means the mode. So when you select any family, this we have a set of prompts and parser for that family for that particular mode that are here. Default I am working right now. We have worked on GPT and when I'm working Nematron I've done, Gemini without thinking I've almost done. So when you say you the default set we will provide, but you can clone our prompts right now, any family you want, and then what modes you want, how you want it to be the parser, the plan and prompts. You can define your own prompt set and you can share in the community also. So we have to understand that all models are trained differently. GPT OS is 20 billion if I say, or GPT, they are trained for harmony pattern of the prompt, not the JSON format or not the JSON tool calling. But that's why we let you decide what you want and how you want it to. Even you can create your own tools that I'm working right now. Okay. Oh, sorry. Uh, Let me open it again. Sorry, my bad. Here we go. This. Okay. So let's stick with the default one, and our LM Studio is working. Let's go in the plan mode and ask a simple thing. Uh, if you created a prompt and want to check what is happening in behind, you can always create the put the debug mode on so that you can see what's happening inside. Let's plan to change the theme color to greenish tone. Okay, it's what is thinking, how is calling the tools, and whatever. That's okay. It's reading the file was available. We know that, and that's the plan. It's pending status to do, and this is it. Okay, uh, let's implement this plan now. We are in agent mode because agent can write to the files. Okay, let's see first of all if it is okay. Beautiful. The this thing has been implemented already, and the file was changed like this. If you want to see the full version, that's it. So this is basically how it works, and you can even use Gemini. Let me see if I have Gemini ready. But no non-thinking mode, no additional payload. Okay, that's good. So let's so history, yes, it maintains your history, and let's say I put debug mode on, and I see directly agent, and we see Gemini Flash. Okay, can you please okay, for fastness, let's see GPT, can you check our git status, please? Thank you. Okay, git command run the response, and this is what we have done so far. So if I go in the history and check that plan, it should have reloaded, but it should have updated the code here. Let me see that on. Okay. So that's it. Okay. Can we change the site menus? What is it like? Ads. Okay. Essential links. Site menu. Essential links to some medical SaaS system. Like. Okay. Let's see. So it reaches to the main file where exactly this is. Uh, Complex script about. Okay. Can you please do it for me? Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's change the model to Novatron. The family is Novatron. When we change the family, the prompt set, if it does not have that family included, it says that we are not optimized for that. We'll get to default, but if we have, because default set, I'm trying to do it, maintain everything. Let's implement this. No, that's not wrong. That's not right. It should not have called the channel name. So if something goes wrong, you can always see what happened in the back. So this was our system prompt. Let me see if the system picked the correct prompt or not. And then what the messages, what were the trace events, and what was the tool calls, and what was the responses, everything. Okay. Oh, okay. My bad. That's very important to understand what happens when the prompt is not good. So we are trying to use the Nematron model here, but you remember we do not have Nematron model here, and that's why the model keeps pushing out the things that they are trained on, and that's where things get not correct. And that's why I'm making this actually, in fact, so that when you select a particular model or you're working on some particular model, it works for that. Include. Uh, so we have Nematron model here. Let's start from here. You see, it was Gemini and model loaded previously, and we have Nematron prompt that is designed to call tools in tools XML format, and still because GPT model is trained do to call tool like that, it won't work, and that's the problem. That's why kilocode and client where you create a model prompt and doesn't work like that. Let's hope. Okay, the cool tool calling has been perfectly set because the special prompt designed for Nematron and the Nematron model are working like that. I feel Nematron is a bit slower model on this system, the prompt processing, so it takes time. But that's what I wanted to actually tell you that how I'm making this thing. The only idea to represent this system in front of you guys right now while it's still under development is because I want to know the feedback. Uh, what do you guys think that how it should be, and is it right approach, or uh, suggestions are most welcome, and funding is definitely most welcome. If you want to help me create this full-fledged product that everyone can use right now, and uh, uh, that's it. That's a simple demonstration of what we are making right now. So that's it. Thank you, guys. Okay. Well, hold on. Does it do something? It's writing file. Yeah, I know it's slow, but I think you got the gist. Thank you, everyone.